In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Gemini, upload your files, and prompt it to generate helpful results based on what you've shared. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Gemini. This helps you land on the official site quickly. When the results appear, look for the official Gemini page from a trusted source. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to check the address bar for a secure connection and a recognizable domain before you proceed. Once you've found the correct link, click through to open Gemini. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to sign up or sign in. Follow the on-screen steps to create your account or use an existing one if that's supported. Make sure you review any terms and privacy information so you understand how your files may be processed. If Gemini isn't available in your region, you may see a message about access. Otherwise, you'll land in the main chat interface. On the chat screen, look for the message box at the bottom. To the side of that text field, you'll see a plus icon. Click it to reveal additional options. This is where the file tools live, and it's the quickest way to get your documents, images, or PDFs into the conversation. From the menu that opens, choose Upload Files. This tells Gemini you want to attach a file from your computer. Keep in mind that file size and type limits may apply, so it's a good idea to have a reasonably sized, common format ready, like a PDF, docx, CSV, PNG, or JPG. A file picker will pop up so you can navigate to the folder where your file is stored. Select the file you need, then click Open. You should see the file appear in the chat area, indicating it's attached. If you grab the wrong item, you can remove it before sending and pick again. For best results, make sure your file name is clear and the content is readable. Now, type a prompt that tells Gemini what to do with the file. Be specific, like, summarize the key points from this document, extract the action items, or analyze the data in the attached spreadsheet. When you're ready, click the send icon. Gemini will process the file and generate a response. If the answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt with more detail and send again. That's it. Search, open, sign up, attach your file, and prompt Gemini to get useful, file-aware results. Remember not to upload sensitive or confidential information, and you'll be set for smooth uploads every time.